Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. So from the home page of our Outlook calendar, press on the gear icon here on the top right. From there, go to Calendar, then press on Shared Calendars. In the drop-down menus, select Calendar right here, and here select Can View All the Details, and select Publish. From here in the bottom you will have two links. You'll have to copy the ICS one. Click on it and select Copy Link. Now let's go to the Google Calendar. Next to the other calendars, click on the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, select From URL and insert the URL that we have copied from the Outlook calendar. Paste. You can also make your calendar publicly accessible if you want. If not, do not check this mark and just add calendar, press on this button here. Now we can go back to our calendars page, and as you can see under other calendars we have this calendar here. This is the Outlook calendar that we have just imported into the Google Calendar. Also, if you want, you can rename this Outlook calendar that we have imported by clicking on the three dots here, going to Settings, and for example, you can rename it to something like Outlook Calendar. Settings saved. And this is basically how we import our Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to press on the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to keep yourselves posted when we post new videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.